morning and Assalamu alaikum. Why you are laughing? I know why you are laughing. Because Sajna ma'am is wearing a cap, right? Why I am wearing a cap, you know? Why I am wearing this cap is, I want to tell you a story about this thing. Okay, about this thing I want to say a story for you. That story is there in your textbook before some pages. Okay, so today I will start with the story first. The story is about a cap seller. What is cap seller? What is cap seller? Cap seller nu parnja endha? One who sells caps. Okay, Toppi Vilpanakaran. I am going to say a story about a cap seller and some monkeys. That story is there in your textbook. So first what I am going to do is, I will show that page, your textbook page on the board, and we will read it and explain it together. You read after me. Whenever I am reading, you also try to read with me. Okay, then I will explain the story for you. Then after saying the story, I will be asking some questions. Ready? Okay. Now what you have to do is, you have to listen to the board. The situations in the stories are on the board. Please listen to the screen. Okay, my dear Makkals, you may be thinking why Sajna ma'am was not saying the story in the last week. I was waiting, I was looking. Okay, so look here, you can see on the board a cap seller and many pictures in that story you can see. Okay, shall we read the sentences in the first, under that first picture? Yes. Once a cap seller was going to the town to sell caps. So who is in that picture? Cap seller. What is in his basket, Makkals? Yes, caps. Where is he going? He is going to the town. For what purpose he is going to the town? To sell the caps. Okay, so you look at the next picture. On the way, he slept under a tree. On the way, he slept under a tree. Some monkeys took away his caps. Some monkeys took away his caps. What happened? On the way, the cap seller was very tired and he wanted to take rest. So where he slept? Yes, he slept under a tree. And what happened? Who took the caps of the cap seller? Some monkeys. Yes. So you look at the next picture. When he woke up, he saw the monkeys wearing his caps. When he woke up, he saw the monkeys wearing his caps. So what he saw when he woke up? He saw some of the monkeys had taken his caps and they were wearing it. Okay. Then look the next picture. He threw stones at them and the monkeys threw some fruits at him. Okay. He threw stones at them and the monkeys threw some fruits at him. So what he threw towards the monkeys? He threw stones. And what the monkeys threw back? Yes, they threw some mangoes back. Okay, mangoes or some fruits. It is looking like mangoes, no? Yes. Okay, then look at the next picture. The cap seller had an idea. The cap seller had an idea. He removed his cap and threw at monkeys. What the cap seller did? He removed his cap and threw at the monkeys. Okay, and the last picture, all the monkeys imitate him. The cap seller collected all the caps and went to the town. All the monkeys imitate him. Imitate him എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ആദ്യം കല്ലെറിഞ്ഞപ്പോൾ അവർ മരത്തിൻ്റെ മേലെയുള്ള ഫ്രൂട്ട് ഇങ്ങോട്ട് പറിച്ചെറിഞ്ഞു. അപ്പോൾ ഇപ്പോൾ ക്യാപ് സെല്ലറിന് ഒരു ഐഡിയ കിട്ടി. വാട്ട് ദ ഐഡിയ വാസ്? ക്യാപ്പ് എറിഞ്ഞു. അപ്പോൾ ഈ മങ്കീസ് എന്താ ചെയ്യുക? നമ്മൾ എന്താണോ മനുഷ്യന്മാർ എന്താ ചെയ്യുന്നത് അതുപോലെ അവർ ഇമിറ്റേറ്റ് ചെയ്ത് കാണിക്കും അല്ലേ? അതുപോലെ കാണിക്കാൻ ശ്രമിക്കും, അനുകരിക്കാൻ ശ്രമിക്കും. അപ്പോൾ ക്യാപ് സെല്ലർ ക്യാപ്പ് എറിഞ്ഞപ്പോൾ മങ്കീസ് എന്തോ ചെയ്തു? They threw the caps back. അവർ ക്യാപ്പ് തിരിച്ചെറിഞ്ഞു. Then the cap seller collected all the caps and went to the town. Okay, did you understand? Okay, so whose story was it? A cap seller and monkeys. What the cap seller was going to sell? Yes, some caps like this. Okay, he was having some caps like this, and he was going, where he was going? He was going to the town, right? He was going to the town, and what happened on the way? On the way, he was very tired and he slept. Where he slept? Under a tree. And on the tree, who were there? Yes, some monkeys were there. What the monkey did? Monkey took all the caps from the basket and they were wearing it and they went back to the tree. Right? Yes, when the cap seller woke up, what happened? There was no caps in the basket. He felt sad, and when he looked onto the tree, what he saw? The monkeys were sitting there wearing his caps. Then what he did? He threw a stone. ഒരു കല്ലെറിഞ്ഞു. Then what the monkeys did? The monkeys threw the fruits. Monkeys threw fruits at him. Then he got an idea. What was his idea? He removed his cap. Okay, like this. He removed his cap and he threw towards the monkeys. Then what happened? The monkeys imitated him and threw all the caps back. Then the cap seller took all the caps and went back. He went to the town and sold all these caps. How is the story? Nice story, you know. So you want to try to read the sentences under these pictures. Okay? Okay. Now, don't forget, today we want to learn one more pronoun. Okay, before starting today's pronoun, I just want to recall all the pronouns which you had learned earlier. Okay, as usual it is on the board. Please listen and you have to read it. What is the first one? I. The next, my. The next, you, your. The next, we, our. The next, he, his. The next, she, her. The next, it and its. And last week we were learning about this it and its. It, അത് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഇത്, ഇറ്റ്സ് അതിൻ്റെ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഇതിൻ്റെ. ഓക്കെ, ആൻഡ് ഇറ്റ്സ് വി ആർ യൂസിങ് ഫോർ ഡിനോട്ടിങ് objects like things, animals, birds, everything, not human being. Okay, right, understood. So today we are with a new pronoun and the pronoun is they. What is it? They. Right, so they. You might be hearing this word very often. All these words you are using in your day-to-day life, but we don't know where we had to use it, right? So I will just show you a picture over here and you have to look it. Look, three girls are dancing. So how we will say they are dancing? Look, the sentence is also here. Okay, they are dancing. They are dancing. So you have seen they are dancing. And one more picture I will show you. Look, some boys are playing. Some boys are playing football. So I am going to say a sentence. They are playing football. They are playing football. Okay, they are playing football. What do you mean by they? They. Look, they are dancing. It is not one person, Makkals. It is not one person. More than one person. Two or more persons. Okay, two or more persons. Right? Okay, so for that we are using the term they. They means our. They are dancing. Our dance കളിക്കുന്നു. They are playing football. Our football കളിക്കുന്നു. Okay. Our. എന്താണ്? Our. You can say they are sleeping. They are writing. They are eating. Okay. All this you can say they. Our. More than one person. Two or more. ഒരാൾക്ക് ഒരിക്കലും we will be using he, she, etc. He or she. But more than one person we will be using they. Okay? Okay. Now we are moving on to your textbook and there are some passages in your textbook and we are going to read it together. Okay? Look on to the screen and we will be reading the first we will be describing the picture, then we will be reading the sentences in it. Ready? Okay. Look, you can see two boys over there. You can see two boys. Okay. One boy's name is Nitin and the other boy's name is Neeraj. Okay. Nitin and Neeraj. Right. So in this picture, I will just tell some sentences about them. Look, they are brothers. They are brothers. They are brothers and they are very fat, no? Fat. They are fat. They are going to the school together. They are playing together and they love each other also. Okay. And the sentences in your textbook, now it will be on the board and you have to read. Makkals, you have to read. Okay. So read with me. First sentence. Meet Nitin and Neeraj. Meet Nitin and Neeraj. You can see Nitin and Neeraj. They are brothers. Our brothers are. That means siblings. They are fat. They are not thin. They are fat. They go to school together. They are going to the school together. They play together. They love each other. They love each other. Okay. So these are the sentences related to Nitin and Neeraj. They are two in number, so we cannot say he is Nitin and Neeraj. We have to use the pronoun they. Instead of using the names again and again, we are using the pronoun they. Okay. One more picture is there. You can see two girls and the girls' name are Neha and Nita. Neha and Nita. Okay, shall we read those sentences below that? Yes. Neha and Nita are friends. Neha and Nita are friends. They sit together. They sit together. They share the food. They share their food. They study together. They study together. Instead of using the names Neha and Nida again and again, we are using the pronoun they. Understood? Okay. Okay. You understood what is the meaning of they. Instead of using the names again and again, we are using the pronoun they if they are more than one in number. Okay, and there is also a work in your workbook. Okay, there is a work in your workbook. This time I am not going to explain it. What you have to do is, you have to attend your Google Meet. And your teacher will be explaining this too. And she will be helping you where you have to use the pronoun they. Okay, you have to attend the Google Meet very correctly and answer it and understand how, where to use the pronoun they. Okay, so I think you love to hear the story, as well as you understood that you also understand that pronoun they. Okay, we will meet in the next class and see you. Bye bye. Assalamu alaikum.